Well, hello there greasers, and welcome to a tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your hair like the pomp
of Jon Bon Jovi in 1985.
For this tutorial you will be needing Royal Crown. It's the Royal Crown pomade, it's not the hairdressing. Sweet Georgia Brown Blue, not the red blue or the brown blue or the brune, it's the blue. Scoops out really shitty. Doesn't smell like baby powder either. It smells like I have baby powder on my ass, and it doesn't smell like baby powder. You will also be needing comb, wrench, it's adjustable, Colgate. Pomade is already in the hair, so I'm just gonna distribute that evenly. Nice and evenly nice, evenly. This is where you're gonna take Royal Crown, and you're just gonna, oh gee, Royal Crown, you're just gonna use it here. Just there. This is how Jon Bon Jovi did it in 1985. I got proof. I will take this . Pull it forward. You gotta get that forward motion. Forward, forward, forward. Don't be a wedge. Make it forward. Scoops out like butter, butter. I like to put this in my sideburns. I don't have any, but still. I'm gonna take my pick. Get that nice forward motion. Forward. I'm gonna go ahead and call that done. Keep greasy, grease your grease. Well folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. Next week I'm gonna cut off all my hair and go to China on a mission. See you there.